Welcome to Bali, the island of gods. Bali beckons travelers with the promise of an unforgettable journey, where natural beauty and cultural charm intertwine. Picture yourself stepping onto this Indonesian paradise, greeted by the warmth of the sun and the gentle sway of palm trees. Bali is a place where ancient temples stand majestically against lush rice paddies, cascading waterfalls tumble into crystal-clear pools, and volcanic peaks pierce the sky. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, or a deeper connection with nature and spirituality, Bali has something extraordinary to offer every traveler. So pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and let's embark on a journey to discover the scenic wonders of Bali together. Bali's beauty extends far beyond its pristine beaches. Imagine trekking through emerald green rice terraces, the air thick with the scent of moist earth and blooming flowers. Venture into the heart of Bali's spiritual soul at Uluwatu Temple, perched dramatically on a clifftop overlooking the crashing waves of the Indian Ocean. Dive into the crystal-clear waters of Nusa Penida, where you'll encounter majestic manta rays gliding effortlessly through the deep blue. Bali is not only a feast for the eyes but also a culinary paradise waiting to be explored. Indulge in the island's signature dish, babi guling, a slow-roasted suckling pig marinated in a blend of traditional Balinese spices. For a taste of local life, venture into the bustling markets and street food stalls. Vegetarians will be spoilt for choice in Bali, with an abundance of plant-based options available. Quench your thirst with fresh coconut water straight from the coconut or sip on a traditional Indonesian coffee, strong and aromatic. As you wander through the bustling streets of Bali, the aroma of spices and sizzling delicacies will tantalize your senses. Rest assured, Bali caters to all palates, and Muslim travelers will find a plethora of halal dining options. For an authentic taste of Balinese cuisine, seek out warung Muslim signs, indicating eateries that specialize in halal dishes. Numerous halal restaurants offer a fusion of cuisines from Middle Eastern and Indian to Western and Asian. From luxurious resorts to cozy homestays, finding your perfect abode in Bali is an adventure in itself. Bali offers an array of accommodation options to suit every taste and budget. For those seeking the ultimate in luxury and relaxation, Bali's world-renowned resorts are a dream come true. If you prefer a more intimate and unique experience, Bali's boutique hotels are an excellent choice. For travelers seeking an authentic cultural immersion, consider staying at a local homestay. No matter your preference, Bali's accommodations promise a comfortable and unforgettable stay. Embracing the spirit of adventure, unveiling Bali's hidden gems can be an exhilarating experience. Escape the crowds and head to Sekumpul Waterfall, often hailed as Bali's most beautiful cascade. For a unique cultural experience, visit Penglapuran Village, a traditional Balinese village where time seems to have stood still. Adventure seekers will find their paradise in Nusa Keningan, a small island located just off the coast of Nusa Lembongan. As you venture off the beaten path, embrace the spirit of adventure and allow yourself to get lost in Bali's hidden wonders. A spiritual sojourn, embracing Bali's sacred energy, is a journey into the heart of the island's soul. Begin your spiritual sojourn at Tirta Empul Temple, a sacred water temple renowned for its purifying springs. Venture into the heart of Bali's spiritual heartland at Gunung Kawi, an ancient temple complex carved into sheer cliff faces. As you explore Bali's temples and sacred sites, remember to dress respectfully, covering your shoulders and knees. Embrace the spiritual energy that permeates this magical island and allow yourself to be transformed by its beauty and tranquility. Unveiling Ubud, the heart of Balinese art and culture. Nestled amidst lush rice paddies and rolling hills in central Bali, Ubud is a cultural haven that pulsates with creativity and a deep connection to Balinese heritage. Lose yourself in the labyrinthine streets of Ubud's art market, a treasure trove of handcrafted goods, textiles, paintings, and souvenirs. Immerse yourself in the world of Balinese dance at one of Ubud's many traditional performances. Indulge your artistic side with a visit to one of Ubud's many art galleries. Sunset Symphony, witnessing Bali's magical twilight hour. As the sun begins its descent, casting a warm golden glow across the island, Bali transforms into a canvas of breathtaking beauty. Head to Tanah Lot Temple, one of Bali's most iconic landmarks, and witness the sun melt into the horizon. For a more laid-back sunset experience, head to one of Bali's many beach bars and restaurants. Whether you prefer a spiritual experience at a temple, a romantic dinner on the beach, or simply a quiet moment of reflection, Bali's sunsets are an unforgettable experience. Beyond the beaten path, unveiling Bali's hidden coastal gems. Venture beyond the well-trodden paths and uncover secluded coves, pristine beaches, and a sense of tranquility. Escape to the unspoiled beauty of Nusa Dua, a peninsula on Bali's southern coast known for its luxurious resorts and pristine beaches. For a more adventurous escape, head to the neighboring islands of Nusa Lembongan and Nusa Ceningan. Bali's hidden coastal gems offer a sanctuary from the hustle and bustle, inviting you to reconnect with nature and create lasting memories. Indulge your senses. A sensory journey through Bali's aromatherapy and spa culture. Bali's allure extends beyond its breathtaking landscapes and vibrant culture, embracing a holistic approach to well-being that tantalizes the senses and rejuvenates the soul. Prepare to embark on a sensory journey through Bali's renowned aromatherapy and spa culture, where ancient traditions meet modern luxury, leaving you feeling refreshed, revitalized, and deeply connected to the island's healing energy. Imagine stepping into a tranquil oasis, greeted by the intoxicating aroma of exotic flowers, fragrant herbs, and essential oils, instantly transporting you to a realm of relaxation and serenity. Bali's spas are renowned for their use of natural ingredients, harnessing the power of nature's bounty to create a truly transformative experience. Indulge in a traditional Balinese massage where skilled therapists use a combination of gentle stretches, acupressure, and aromatherapy oils to relieve muscle tension, improve circulation, and promote a sense of deep relaxation. Feel your worries melt away as their expert hands work their magic, leaving you feeling balanced and rejuvenated. For a truly luxurious experience, opt for a spa treatment that incorporates local ingredients such as Balinese coffee, coconut oil, or volcanic mud. These natural elements are not only beneficial for the skin, but also offer a unique sensory experience that captures the essence of Bali's natural beauty. Unveiling the heart of Bali, a journey to Ubud's cultural tapestry. Journey into the heart of Bali's cultural soul as we venture to Ubud, a town nestled amidst emerald green rice paddies and rolling hills, where ancient traditions thrive alongside contemporary art and a laid-back bohemian vibe. Prepare to be captivated by Ubud's unique charm, where spirituality intertwines with artistry, and every corner whispers tales of Bali's rich heritage. Begin your cultural exploration at the Ubud Palace, a historical landmark that showcases traditional Balinese architecture and offers a glimpse into the island's royal past. Admire the intricate carvings, ornate gateways, and spacious courtyards, transporting yourself back in time to an era of kings and queens. Immerse yourself in the world of Balinese art at the Neka Art Museum, home to a diverse collection of traditional and contemporary works by Balinese and Indonesian artists. From classic wayang paintings depicting scenes from Hindu epics to modern interpretations of Balinese life and culture, the museum offers a fascinating insight into the evolution of Balinese art. No trip to Ubud is complete without witnessing a traditional Balinese dance performance. Choose from a variety of captivating performances, such as the Legong dance, known for its graceful movements and elaborate costumes, or the Barong dance, a dynamic performance that depicts the eternal battle between good and evil. The rhythmic music, vibrant costumes, and powerful storytelling will leave a lasting impression. A culinary adventure in Ubud, from traditional delights to exquisite fine dining. Ubud's culinary scene is a feast for the senses, offering a tantalizing blend of traditional Balinese flavors, international cuisine, and innovative fusion creations. From humble street food stalls serving up authentic local delicacies to upscale restaurants helmed by renowned chefs, Ubud caters to every palate and promises a culinary adventure that will tantalize your taste buds. Begin your culinary journey at Ubud Market, a bustling hub where locals and tourists alike gather to sample a variety of Balinese specialties. Indulge in freshly prepared nasi campur, a fragrant rice dish served with an assortment of side dishes such as satay, tempeh, vegetables, and sambal, a fiery chili paste that adds a kick to every bite. For a taste of Ubud's fine dining scene, head to Locavor, a restaurant that has garnered international acclaim for its innovative tasting menus featuring fresh, locally sourced ingredients. Experience the creativity and passion of Chef Ilke Plasmiger and Ray Adriancia as they transform seasonal produce into culinary masterpieces that celebrate the flavors of Bali. No culinary adventure in Ubud is complete without indulging in the island's renowned coffee culture. Visit Scenic Coffee Studio, a local institution known for its expertly brewed coffee, using beans sourced from different regions of Indonesia. Savor the rich aroma and bold flavors of Indonesian coffee, or opt for a refreshing iced coffee concoction on a warm day. Ubud offers an array of accommodation options to suit every taste and budget, from luxurious resorts nestled amidst rice paddies to charming boutique hotels tucked away in tranquil alleys. Whether you seek the ultimate in pampering and relaxation, or an intimate escape that embraces Ubud's artistic spirit, you'll find the perfect sanctuary to unwind and soak up the town's unique charm. For an unforgettable luxury experience, choose from a selection of world-renowned resorts that offer breathtaking views, exceptional service, and a tranquil ambiance that invites relaxation and rejuvenation. Imagine waking up to the sound of birdsong, surrounded by lush greenery, with a private pool overlooking the rice paddies. If you prefer a more intimate and personalized experience, Ubud boasts a plethora of charming boutique hotels, each with its own unique character and style. From traditional Balinese-inspired designs to modern minimalist aesthetics, you'll find a boutique hotel that reflects your taste and offers a cozy and welcoming atmosphere. For those seeking a more authentic cultural experience, consider staying at a traditional Balinese homestay, where you can immerse yourself in the local way of life and experience the warmth and hospitality of Balinese families. Share meals with your host family, learn about Balinese customs and traditions, and gain a deeper appreciation for the island's rich cultural heritage. As your Balinese adventure draws to a close, reflect on the tapestry of experiences woven into your journey. Bali, the island of gods, leaves an imprint that lingers long after you've bid farewell to its magical shores. The warmth of the Balinese people and their deep connection to their cultural heritage will stay with you. From the moment you set foot on Balinese soil, you've been enveloped in a sensory symphony. The vibrant colors of the sunsets over Tanah Lot Temple, the aroma of incense wafting through ancient temples, the rhythmic beat of traditional gamelan music, and the flavors of Balinese cuisine have touched your heart and soul. Bali's allure lies in its breathtaking landscapes and vibrant culture, fostering peace and connection. Whether drawn to its spiritual heartland or seeking adventure in its jungles and waters, Bali offers a sanctuary for your soul. As you leave, carry the spirit of Bali, warmth, kindness, and reverence for the natural world. Let the lessons and memories inspire you to approach life with an open heart and a sense of adventure. Remember the thrill of witnessing the sunrise over Mount Batur, its majestic peak piercing through the clouds, or the tranquility of strolling through the emerald-green rice terraces of Tegalalang, the air thick with the scent of moist earth and blooming frangipani? These moments, sights, and sensations will stay with you long after you've returned home. Recall the flavors, the spicy kick of sambal, the rich aroma of Balinese coffee, and the refreshing sweetness of young coconut water. Each bite was an explosion of taste, a testament to Bali's rich culinary heritage. And who could forget the warmth of the Balinese people, their genuine smiles, and their willingness to share their culture. From the intricate offerings to the vibrant dances, you've witnessed their spirituality and reverence for the natural world. These experiences form the tapestry of your Balinese journey, a masterpiece you'll treasure for a lifetime. Bali's allure is undeniable, a symphony for the soul that resonates long after you've left its magical shores. It's a place where ancient traditions seamlessly intertwine with modern life, where spirituality permeates every aspect of daily life. Perhaps it's the island's spiritual heart that captivates you, drawing you to its ancient temples and sacred rituals, or maybe it's the artistic spirit of Ubud, with its vibrant art scene and traditional dance performances. For some, it's the thrill of adventure surfing world-class waves or hiking through lush jungles. Others find solace in the island's tranquil beaches, basking in the sun and swimming in turquoise waters. Whatever your reason, Bali works its way into your heart, leaving an imprint that lingers long after you've said goodbye. So what are you waiting for? Bali awaits, ready to unveil its magic and welcome you with open arms. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, cultural immersion, or a spiritual awakening, this enchanting island has something extraordinary to offer every traveler. Pack your bags, book your flight, and prepare to embark on a journey that will awaken your senses, ignite your imagination, and leave an imprint on your soul. Bali is calling, and your adventure awaits.